Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novita Pinam. In this occasion, I would like to review a very interesting film. The title is a Street Cat Named Bob. Let's check it. The film A Street Cat Named Bob was first released in 2016. The film, directed by Roger Spottiswoode, is an adaptation of the novel of the same name and the book The World According to Bob by James Bond. This story is also based on a true story. A street cat named Bob tells the story of James Bond, a homeless and former drug addict living a miserable life in the heart of London, England. James then found a cat that was missing with his foot. At first, James thought the cat was a runaway pet, but it turned out that the cat returned to James' place the next night. So James decided to take care of her. He started taking the cat with him by putting a scarf with him when basking or selling the Big Issue in London. Bond later wrote a book about their relationship called A Street Cat Named Bob. Unexpectedly, the book was such a big success that it was made into a film in 2006, in which Bob co-starred. Who would have thought that the existence of Bob the cat could actually change James' life for the better? This is the main issue of this film, James' friendship with Bob. The author says, Bob saved his life. It's that simple. He gave me more than just friendship. With him by my side, I found direction and purpose that I had been missing, said James Bond. He said that success they found together was a miracle, adding, he met thousands of people, touched millions of souls. There has never been a cat like him. And never again. I feel like a light in my life, said James Bond. The Big Issue editor Paul McName said Bob could change Bond's life and the world. He means a lot to the Big Issue and is a big part of our story, just as the Big Issue in his story, Paul said. So we can elevate that the approach contained in this film is a paraphrase approach that display the moral values that we can learn, and if we order them as follow: sorrow, awareness, recovery, faithfulness, patience, trust, and victory. Until finally on June 2020, Cat Bob, the pet that inspired the book and film series A Street Cat Named Bob, has died at the age of 14. Regarding Bob's death, Paul offers his deepest condolences to James Bond. Our condolences go to James, Bob's loyal friend. Bob saved his life and he talks about the success the couple enjoys through their books and films as a miracle, said Paul. Furthermore, Paul agreed with James Bond's statement that no other cat is like Bob. That's all. Thank you very much.